I was addicted. 6 hours a day, gone. Mindlessly scrolling, watching reels, jumping from one dopamine hit to the next. I thought I was just passing time, but in reality, my brain was being hijacked. Then, one day, I snapped. I decided to quit. No reels, no games, no music, no junk food. A full dopamine detox. I was going to reset my brain in just 7 days, but I had no idea how hard it would be. Dopamine is a chemical in our brain responsible for pleasure and motivation. It's what rewards us for hard work. But modern technology has hacked this system. Instead of working for dopamine, we get it instantly. From scrolling reels, playing video games, and eating junk food. This is why it's so hard to focus on reading, studying, or long-term goals. Our brains are wired for easy rewards, and when we don't get them, we feel bored, restless, and unmotivated. That's why I had to break free. For 7 days, I had to completely remove no reels, no YouTube shorts, no video games, no music, no junk food, no unnecessary phone use. Instead, I had to replace these habits with productive activities, like reading books instead of scrolling, physical workouts instead of video games, healthy eating instead of junk food. Seemed easy, right? I was so wrong. The first few hours were torture. I kept reaching for my phone even though I knew I couldn't use it. By day 2, I was irritated, anxious, and restless. My brain craved the quick dopamine hits it was used to, but this was the withdrawal phase, and if I could push through, something incredible would happen. This was the breaking point. I realized how hard it was to just sit with my thoughts, no distractions, no instant escape. But then, something clicked. On day 4, I actually enjoyed the silence. I started feeling calmer. I could focus for longer. It was like my brain was rewiring itself. By day 6, I felt something I hadn't felt in years: mental clarity. I wasn't constantly craving stimulation. I wasn't feeling restless. I was actually enjoying life again. By day 7, I realized our brains are not the problem. It's the environment we've built around them. Once you remove the constant noise, you start seeing life in a different way. Here's what I learned from this challenge. 1. Distractions are killing our ability to focus. If you can't sit still for 5 minutes without grabbing your phone, that's a sign. 2. Dopamine detox is hard, but worth it. The first few days are tough, but if you push through, your focus will improve dramatically. 3. You don't need to quit forever, just control it. Social media, music, and gaming aren't bad, but when they control you instead of you controlling them, that's when it's a problem. I challenge you to try this. For just 7 days, cut out the things that give you quick dopamine hits. No reels, no games, no junk food. Then come back and comment. Did you feel a difference? Share this with a friend who needs to see this. If you want to become the best version of yourself, this is where you start.